Are you stretching while we do?
I'm just popping up here and there.
The spirit box. Welcome to this first episode of the Chugging Chronicles, where we taste mixers, sodas, and everything in between, so you don't have to test them, so you can just enjoy them. So today I found Javi this Warheads. It's nostalgia from when we were kids.
From the early 2000s, early 1900s.
Yeah. So I thought, what if we put them to the test and see if they would be a good mixer for just drinking? I don't know. Let's test them first. Like, taste them. Let's see. First taste them and see what would we like with them. Okay. So what do we think?
Okay.
Smells good.
Yeah. Ooh.
Is not that as tart and like crazy as the candies.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be a little bit sour.
We might be able to make it happen with still a little bit of an acid base or something like that.
Yeah.
But the apple is there, so maybe just like a. What if we try just like a simple vodka or whiskey?
Yeah. I think whiskey is. What kind of whiskey though? Like, are you looking for like
maybe like a bourbon?
a bourbon, like something
bourbon?
Sweeter, right?
Sweeter, and then
Yeah.
we just do like bourbon and this soda, and then a lemon on top just to make it.
Yeah, I'm down for that one.
Sounds good.
Yeah.
Let's try it. Let's do half a pour each of one bourbon, okay?
Okay.
Let's do Old Forester, my choice. Always Old Forester. Let's just do 1 ounce. 1 ounce. You want ice in for us? Shit. Got it. 2 lemons. Just a little bit of. Dude, I was not expecting this taste. Like, and also I checked the ingredients before I got it.
Mm-hmm.
There's no phosphoric acid, which is what damages your teeth and stuff like that. They're just red, like not red, I mean the color, but I mean, overall, no high fructose corn syrup, just malic acid nuts. It's not bad at all.
Yeah, nothing too crazy.
So,
Oh, that's good. It has a little bit of a.
maybe add a little bit more soda. See what you think. There you go.
Yeah, that's good.
Just a dash of a few drops of lemon. To make that, how do you say it earlier?
Little. Give me little rat noises. Oh, that's really good.
There you go.
It kind of tastes like a, almost kind of how like Crown Royal tastes, like the apple one.
Yeah.
But it's a little bit more like, I don't know, like acidic, I think.
It has a nice taste. So, what do you think? Chuggable or not chuggable?
I think chuggable. This doesn't taste like, I was thinking with the whiskey that it was gonna taste a little bit more like harsh for some reason.
Yeah.
But the soda, I think the syrup in this kind of helps balance out that little taste.
And we use
of it.
100 proof whiskey. So.
Yeah, this is really good.
And we still have the watermelon soda, which I think would be great with tequila. Yeah.
Tequila.
So this is the sour watermelon soda. Let's see.
This smells a lot sweeter than the other one.
Funny thing is that they both smell and taste like the puckers from like the watermelon apple pucker.
It's very.
I think we should do the tequila test. But I think with this one we do a little bit of lime.
Yeah. I think lime.
Oh, Marcos is coming back. Marcos, try this. This is the apple soda.
Come on, special guest appearance. All right, let me try this.
So this is basically a little bit of whiskey with the drops of lemon and the apple one.
Not bad, not bad. It's actually pretty good. I expected this to be like crazy sweet,
Yeah.
but I guess like the lemon that you put in it balanced it out.
A little,
Not bad.
it's just a few drops of lemon.
Yeah.
And the question is, chuggable or not chuggable?
Oh, definitely chocolate. For sure.
Hell yeah.
That's a winner.
Hell
At a house party, maybe make a jungle juice out of that.
Right? I think that would be
Yeah.
really good, like for bubbles. Instead of using Sprite, and I'm like,
Let's do the tequila one. Are you stretching while we do?
I'm just popping up here and there.
A few limes a few drops of lemon. Lime. What the hell
Lime.
is?
The green one is lime.
Dude, in Mexico they both are lemons.
Lemon, I know.
Okay. Cheers, brother. Oh fuck yeah. This is even better.
Oh, you know what this kind of tastes like? It's like the Mexican candy, but without the spice. You know?
Where's it?
The spice one?
Can't get the right one. Some spicy tincture?
Yeah, I think it would be really good with it. Yeah,
Yeah.
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 This is like the Mexican candy.
Yeah.
How the fuck did we get? I like this a lot too.
Badass. Dude, they're both definitely chuggable.
Yeah. I'm surprised that this wasn't as sour.
Yeah, I was expecting it.
sour.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be.
Yeah.
But imagine this at a pool.
Yeah.
This is like Red Bull without the fucking hazard of drinking a shit ton of caffeine.
Yeah. Honestly, it kind of has that same like feeling of it too, because you know how Red Bull is like, it's very strong in tasting, but when you drink it with alcohol, it's very easy to drink.
Yeah.
It's kind of what this is.
So this is a good one. Totally advisable. Not typically my, you know what, I just like drink whiskey, straight stuff like that, but I would totally sip on this on by the pool and stuff.
Yeah, this is a nice, refreshing, something that, you know, you would think that it's a little bit crazy because of, you know, it's a candy
The
soda.
background of it,
Yeah.
like the history.
But it's like actually really good with the cocktail. Like with the alcohol, it doesn't like overpower it. It kind of complements it, especially in the whiskey. The apple kind of gives it like an old fashioned, but the sweetness of
Yeah.
it.
You know,
I
I
love
could
the
totally
colors.
see this good for making an actual more elaborate cocktail.
Yeah.
But I think we can tell them to leave us some comments if they would like to see a more elaborate cocktail with this.
Yeah. What do you guys want us to do? What should we mess around with these guys?
If you have any ideas, let us know. Good. Thanks for watching.
Yes.